Hello and welcome to the 1000 Curiosities channel. My name is Christian and today's video is about the toucan. The toucan is a fascinating exotic bird, brightly marked and with a large, often brightly colored bill. It is part of the Ramphastidae family and encompasses 5 genera and over 40 different species. The toucan can be found in the tropical and subtropical forests from Central and South America, from Brazil to Paraguay, Argentina and Bolivia. Its name comes from the Tupi word tukana. The family includes toucans, aracaris and toucanets, but also some more distant relatives like barbets and woodpeckers. The toucan has the largest bill relative to their body size, which can grow up to 20 centimeters long. The bill is an extremely efficient thermoregulation system, serving as air conditioning. Charles Darwin had suggested that their bill was used as sexual advertising, while other biologists thought it was some kind of natural system of peeling fruits or a visual warning system. Brazilian researchers discovered what their large bill does. It cools the bird. This is possible due to the fact that heat is transferred to the bill through the blood, and from there it can be spread into the air. By increasing the blood quantity in the bill to 30 to 50% of its total blood, the bird can get rid of more heat. This was observed by using heat cameras. An experiment was conducted by the researchers in Brazil, in which the room temperature was gradually increased from 10 to 35 degrees. As the temperature increased, the bill's temperature was rising, but the body temperature remained constant. At lower temperatures, the heat radiated from the bill towards the body in order to maintain a constant body temperature. The toucan is not the only creature that uses parts of its body to maintain its temperature. Elephants and hares use their ears in order to keep cool. The main food of a toucan is made up of fruit, but given the opportunity, they also eat insects, lizards and other small animals. Berries and seeds are picked up with the tip of the bill and then flipped into the throat by tossing their head. Toucans are also known for plundering other birds' nests and stealing their eggs. They play an important role in spreading the seeds of the trees. Some species of toucans never drink water, taking their water needs from the fruits they eat. The smallest species of toucan is the lettered aracari, found in southeastern Colombia, western Brazil and northern Bolivia. It weighs only 130 grams, about 4.6 ounces, and is 29 centimeters in length. The largest species is toucan, also known as the giant or common toucan. It can reach a weight of 680 grams and 63 centimeters in length. They have a round tail, which can be the same size as the rest of their body. Toucans fly for short distances in the forest. Their wingspan can be up to 120 centimeters and they can fly with a speed of up to 64 kilometers an hour. Despite the size, the bill is very lightweight, being made by a matrix of thin crisscrossed bony rods filled with a spongy form of keratin. This creates a horny sheath with serrated edges resembling teeth and is designed for tearing fruit. The bill is quite weak in the sense that it cannot bite, but it is very resistant. The toucan has a thin, feather-like tongue which extends to the end of the bill. The beauty of the toucan lays in their large, vividly colored bill with hues of yellow, orange, red, green and black. Their head and body are covered in black, white and yellow feathers. Toucans are very playful. They don't usually build their own nests, preferring to take shelter in hollowed-out trees created by woodpeckers. They usually lay between 2 and 4 eggs, which both parents take turns incubating. After about 16 days, the eggs hatch. At birth, young toucans are blind, featherless, and do not have the long bill which develops later. Their eyes open when they are about 3 weeks old. Both parents care for the chicks up to the age of 8 weeks. It takes 40 to 45 days for the little toucans to be able to perform their first flight. The lifespan of a toucan is up to 20 years. Toucans are non-migratory birds. They live in pairs or small groups. These groups are usually very loud. Toucans emit various sounds, from grunting to croaking or snoring sounds. Unfortunately, the toucan is an endangered species because of the humans who destroyed its habitat and hunted it for its bill and feathers. Their natural enemies are eagles, owls, falcons, and jaguars. Their enormous bill is useless for defending them against their predators. The toucan is the most expensive bird on the planet, with a price of approximately $5,000. It was also declared the national bird of the state of Belize. The toucan is etched into totem poles as a symbol of showmanship and communication according to Native American tribes. When Europeans first arrived in the Americas, it is said that the toucan was actually one of the first birds they would have seen. In 2015, a social media storm was caused when a toucan was viciously attacked by Costa Rican teens. The bird had its beak badly damaged and caused Costa Rican animal law to be put under scrutiny. There is a constellation named after the wonderful bird. The tukana has most of the small Magellanic Cloud inside it. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to leave us a like. It would help the video to reach more people. I try to publish a new video every few days, so if you like what you have seen, please consider subscribing to the channel. My name is Christian, and until the next episode, take care.